Today I'm going to teach you how to link to email on Framer. This is a simple yet powerful way to make it easy for visitors to contact you directly through your website. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. From your dashboard, locate the project where you want to add the email link and click on it to open it. This could be your portfolio site, landing page, or any other project you're working on. The project will load in the Framer editor, giving you access to all the design and interactive elements. Now for this example, let's say you already have some text on your page that you want to turn into an email link. This could be something like contact us or get in touch, or even just your email address displayed as text. Go ahead and highlight that text by clicking on it. This will select the element and bring up the editing options. Once your text is selected, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a properties panel with various options for customizing your selected element. In this panel, locate the section labeled link. This is where you can add hyperlinks to your text, making it interactive. Under the link section, you'll find a field called linked to. This is where the magic happens. Click into this field and type mail to colon. Make sure there's no space between mail and to or between to and the colon. Immediately after the colon, type your email address. For example, it might look like mail to colon your name at yourdomain.com. Once you've entered your email address in the correct format, hit the enter key on your keyboard. This confirms the link and applies it to your selected text. Now, when visitors click on this text on your live website, their default email client will open automatically with a new message addressed to your email. And that's it. You've successfully created a clickable email link in Framer. This small addition can significantly improve user experience by making it incredibly easy for people to reach out to you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.